What's up, y'all? So, today's gonna be a cool little episode. I know it's been a while since my last update, but you know, people get busy, and as you can tell in that first clip, that my camera was buzzing and broken. So I've been trying to use what I actually have. But I was sitting back watching a couple videos on YouTube last night, a couple other folks like Loud and Proud, and I'm sitting there thinking, and I'm like, well, I have a truck too. Why don't I just start making my own content? So that's what we're doing today. And luckily something came in the mail, which I will show you guys just here in a second what it is, for not the Ranger, Project Neglect, because that's exactly what I've been doing, is neglecting my responsibilities with that truck and not getting it done. But with the Dodge on the other side of the boat, over somewhere over there. And yeah, so we're gonna put some stuff on the truck that I've been kind of procrastinating on getting done. I ended up finally ordering the part that I needed to actually do this. This is round 2 of me trying to get this done with this truck, because the first time I thought I purchased the wrong piece, and come to find out it was the right one the whole time. So yeah, in just a second here, I'll show you guys exactly what we got going on. All right, so here we are back at the garage, and this right here is everything we need to get this job done. So you need your edge programmer. I bought mine second hand, but you guys obviously can get yours however you decide. I trust the source I got this from, so I wasn't too worried about it. And then you need the XZT adapter, the DATALINK adapter for the 98.5 to 2000 conversion to the 2001-2002 DATALINK plug. This right here, I think it was like 35 bucks or something like that from Diesel Auto Power. Great purchase, hopefully. We'll see if it works out. And then last but not least, to make this work for mounting purposes, I got some 3M multi-purpose fasteners, just some regular old hook and loop. I'm gonna stick one side there and then put it right there over the fuse box. So that should be everything that you need to get this job done. And if you're not, you know, slow like I was and bought the wrong tuner with the wrong DATALINK plug, you will not need this part. So if you buy the correct one, you will not need this part. You will only need this here if you buy the right one for your truck. All right, so let's go get this thing all hooked up and see what it does afterwards.
7 keys.
That little thing right inside of there, is exactly how you switch your level. I wonder if I can actually make my own switch for that, because I know there's a newer version that has a switch that you run into the truck, but you know, whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and move that over to, say, the middle setting. I think that's the tune for like towing and fuel economy or something like that, which I'll have to look it up and make sure. Yep, so there's that. All right, so on setting 1, it still only will make about, I think, 15, 18 pounds of boost. I do feel like it's got a little bit of throttle response that's better, but that could also just easily be placebo. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on setting 2 and see what it does. Okay, so far, there's definitely been a difference in throttle response. 100%, I will say that. This thing gets up and moves a lot better than it did before, a lot less laggy. As for like boost, it definitely builds it a lot quicker, but it doesn't make more boost so far, but that was also tunes 1 and 2, so this one's going to be 3. So let's try this one out. So I think I'm going to close it out on that note. I definitely will say that you do notice right off the bat a throttle response. It definitely gets into boost a lot quicker than it was before. It's a lot easier. It is easier to spin the tires. I did do a little burnout in front of my house just now, just to kick one tire to see what it would do. Well, technically 2 because it's a dually, but yeah, it responds a lot better. I'm not gonna say I'm not happy with it. I definitely was kind of thinking it would give it a little bit more, but with it being an older Edge Easy programmer, I don't think that it actually was meant more so for giving you more power, but probably just a lot better throttle response. So I could see it being like a timing advance or something like that. But yeah, definitely not like, very big power gains. I guess more driving it around a little bit more, I'll see the difference. But honestly, I think I can leave it in 3 unless I'm towing something and see what it does. So yeah, for now, I'm gonna call that an episode and say peace. Y'all stay dangerous.